Hello everyone, in today's video I will talk to you about a new software, a new tool, and that is Fathom Analytics. Now from the heading you can guess it's a Google Analytics alternative, but let me just tell you why I decided to leave a free tool, Google Analytics, and use something that is paid. I am paying $15 for it every month and get the same thing that actually Google Analytics told it will do. Okay, so as many of you, all of us are using Google Analytics. I am still using Google Analytics because it is needed for many stuff. Like if you want to get into a premium ad network, they will ask for Google Analytics, or if you want to sell your website, they will ask for Google Analytics report. So I'm still using Google Analytics, but I don't use Google Analytics to see my website analytics, like how many people are visiting my website every day, how many visitors, from where I am getting the visitors, all of those stuff. Why? So about a year ago, Google Analytics released GA4, Google Analytics 4, and since then it has been an absolutely mind havoc to find the necessary information inside Google Analytics. Okay, so if you're blogging for a while, you actually know this. Like for me, I had to go through so many hoops and buttons to find how many traffic I am getting from Pinterest, or how much social traffic I am getting, how much Facebook traffic I am getting. All of this um, traffic data was very easy to find in the earlier version of Google Analytics, but now it is very hard. And also I can see large discrepancy of data in Google Analytics. And I in the last like 3 or 4 months I've seen them twice or three times. Like there is a large discrepancy of data. Suppose if there are 10 visitors, for the 10 visitors I will see 1,000 page visits, which is an anomaly, right? Which is not right. And Google Analytics fixed that problem, typically a few days later. But I don't like that thing. I don't like if there is something like this like there are lots of page views in against a few visitors, then I think that messes up the Google data, analytics data. And for all of these reasons, I was thinking I need to switch from Google Analytics to another tool. And there are many other tools. I am currently using Fathom Analytics. I currently pay $15 for it. So, and in today's video, I will show you how to set up Fathom Analytics in your website. I am using WordPress, so I will show you how to set this up in WordPress. And till now, I'm just trying to explain why I'm using this instead of Google Analytics. Let me tell you again, I am still using Google Analytics. I still run Google Analytics in my website's code because that is needed for premium ad platforms and when you want to sell your website, all of that stuff. But for day-to-day website traffic checking, I use this software. Okay, now it's a Google Analytics alternative software, and this is a privacy first software, meaning it doesn't invade the digital privacy of your visitors, all of those good stuff. So you can learn more about them here. You can come to use fathom.com, or there is a link in the description box below. That is an affiliate link. So if you decide to check out the software using my link, thank you for that. You can get a free trial. Also, one more thing, if you use the link in the description box below, then you will get $10 free credit in your first month. Okay, so you can check out the link. Okay, anyway, that is the front end. Now I will show you how it looks in the back end. So in the back end, I have currently around 6-7 sites. So this is the dashboard. In one dashboard, I can see how each of my sites is doing, and then I can click on one individual site and see how it is doing. What is the traffic analytics? So how many traffic I am getting, on which pages I am getting the traffic, referrers, sources, and many of those stuff. Okay, so in today's video, I will not show you how to read the analytics report. This is actually very intuitive. There is nothing much to say, but I will make a separate video on how you can check out the different features of this analytics. But in today's video, I will show you how you can set this up for your WordPress website or any website. Okay, so for that, I am going to my dashboard. So when you first set this up, you will not see anything here. Okay, it will be a blank page. So then you will have to see, you will have to click here and click on add site. Okay, and now I will click on add site again, and I will give a site name. So I will write like writers motion. Okay, it is one of my sites, so I will click save. And then there are many ways to use the code here. So Fathom provides you many ways depending on what CMS or what tech stack you are using. So for me, I am using WordPress. I will choose WordPress. If you are choosing any other thing, so you can choose a front-end framework, stuff like that from here, but this is a very extensive list. You can, I think for most of you, you will find your preferred option here. So I'm choosing WordPress. And the good thing is, you will not need to select any coding or do any coding or any stuff like that. All I need to do is go to my website. So this is my site. I will go to the backend now. So I'm in the backend of my website. Now all I need to do is go to plugins, add new plugin. I will search for Fathom. So see this one, this is the plugin for Fathom. Then I will click on install. And it is installed. Now activate. Okay, now we will have to configure the plugin. So I will go to the plugin. Where is it? This one. I go to settings, and then here you will see an option for site ID. Okay, so I will copy this site ID and paste it here. Okay, and then you can, there are some other options. I will talk to you about them later, but you can keep all of this checked in and exclude roles, like choose the roles if you want to exclude for ranking. So if an administrator is working on the site, Fathom will not track that. Okay, so you can choose what roles will be excluded. Okay, so save changes, and you can clear the cache. That will help too. Okay, so now verify site code. So one thing you need to do here is, I used to face some trouble here, that I would just wait here and wait for it to verify the code, but that will not happen. What will you need to do is go to an incognito tab. Once in this stage, you will go to an incognito tab and you will visit your website. Okay, you will just visit the website, and then you will come back here. So once you visit the website, it will verify the code and say it is success. Okay, then click on close. You can get out of there. Okay, so now what you can do is, if you want, you can actually see the traffic status for this website inside the website's WordPress. Like if I click here, I can check the traffic status in this page. Okay, so for that I'll need to do something. You will come to the settings page, you will come to dashboard sharing, and you will click passworded. Then you will choose a password. Suppose I am choosing something like 123 ABC, something like that. Okay, save. Now what we will do is come back here and then go to where is Fathom? Go to Fathom Analytics under settings, and then put the password here. Okay, and then click on save changes. So after that, if you come here, you will see the status for this website too. Okay, so for checking the how many traffic your site is getting, you will not need to go to Fathom. You can check the traffic directly from within your website if you share the password with here. Okay, in the settings option. So this is how you can actually use the Fathom website, how you can install the Fathom analytics tool. Now in a separate video, I will show you how you can use this tool to measure the traffic of your website. Like I just installed this one. So what I can do now is I can import all of my Google Analytics data into here. So suppose I have a Google Analytics tracking code for writersmotion.com, okay, and that code is gathering all of the information data till now. So I can export that data and import it here. So now Fathom will have that historical data behind this date, okay. So previously from March 6th, all of the data can be imported from Google Analytics to Fathom Analytics, okay. So that is a very good feature. In another video I will talk to you about what are the different features of this tool, how you can use those features, and all of that. But if you want to check out this tool, this is absolutely you'll not have to pay for anything. They are offering a free trial. You can check out that free trial, and if you like the tool, if you want to use it for your websites, don't forget to use my link. If you use my link, you will get a $10 free credit in your first month. The link will be in the description. That's it for today. Thank you. Tata. Bye.